The 2025 Honda BRV is a versatile 7-seater SUV that seamlessly blends style, performance, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for families and adventure enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, the BRV is powered by a 1.5-liter i-VTEC DOHC inline 4-cylinder engine, delivering a robust 119 horsepower at 6,600 revolutions per minute and a torque of 145 Nm at 4,300 revolutions per minute. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission CVT, ensuring smooth and efficient power delivery, which is particularly advantageous for both city commuting and highway cruising. The exterior of the BRV exudes a modern and dynamic appeal, featuring stylish LED exterior lighting that not only enhances visibility, but also adds a touch of sophistication to its design. The 17-inch alloy wheels further complement its sporty stance, while the smart entry system offers convenience and a contemporary feel. Inside, the BRV offers a spacious cabin designed with both comfort and functionality in mind. The interior is adorned with available leather-trimmed seats, underscoring the quality and craftsmanship that Honda is renowned for. The versatile seating arrangement allows for easy configuration to accommodate passengers and cargo, making it suitable for various needs, whether it's a family road trip or transporting bulky items. In terms of technology, the BRV is equipped with a 7-inch color touchscreen that supports in-car smartphone integration apps, allowing occupants to stay connected and entertained throughout their journey. The hands-free telephone feature ensures that drivers can make and receive calls without taking their hands off the wheel, promoting safety and convenience. Safety is a paramount consideration in the BRV's design. The vehicle comes with standard features such as dual front airbags, anti-lock braking system ABS, and a reverse camera with guidelines, aiding in safe maneuvering in tight spaces. Additionally, the BRV is equipped with parking sensors that provide real-time feedback to the driver, further enhancing parking safety. For those in Pakistan considering the 2025 Honda BRV, the vehicle is available in the i-VTEC CS variant, priced at 6,299,000 Pakistani rupees ex-factory. This model offers a compelling package of features, performance, and reliability, making it a strong contender in its segment. In summary, the 2025 Honda BRV stands out as a well-rounded SUV that caters to the diverse needs of modern drivers. Its combination of stylish design, powerful performance, advanced technology, and comprehensive safety features makes it a vehicle worth considering for those seeking a dependable and versatile automobile.